Join the CloudStack Collaboration Conference, the most significant in-person CloudStack event worldwide. One of the most impactful conferences in global open-source cloud computing. A single place where cloud providers, MSPs, telcos, and enterprises come together. Virtualization and cloud management are complex. Apache CloudStack just works. It simplifies what others complicate.
We knew we didn't want to be held captive by somebody else, and we knew that our customers are going to want something new and unique.
If you are either in the VMware world or in the public cloud world, you are losing a little bit of control because you are assuming external company policy, meaning VMware, they change their price, they change their feature strategy, and you just have to take it or leave it.
Vendor lock-in is real. Roadmaps you don't own, costs you can't predict. Innovation slows when control is taken away. Apache CloudStack just works.
And ultimately, we landed on CloudStack because of its ease of management.
I think the most important thing is we have stability. CloudStack works.
Scaling infrastructure isn't just about growth. It's about reliability, performance, and trust. At scale, every decision matters. So how do you build cloud infrastructure that is open, scalable, and built to last?
The key point is it has been an evolution, not a revolution with CloudStack. Because it's an Apache project, driven mainly by its users, the users want stability.
The answer is open source, open by design, transparent by nature, driven by community.
So I think at the executive level, people understand it in terms of open source can remove that risk. You're controlling your own destiny.
Join the CloudStack Collaboration Conference 2026. Meet C-level executives and decision makers, Apache CloudStack PMC members and project committers, skilled engineers, and cloud architects. With an exceptional lineup of speakers, workshops, and networking opportunities, the CloudStack Collaboration Conference is an event to remember for anyone passionate about cloud computing. 3 days, over 40 sessions, and hands-on workshops. Attendees from 35-plus countries. Learn about the latest features, integrations, and industry trends shaping the future of cloud computing. Powerful trends are reshaping cloud strategies worldwide. Organizations are seeking greater control, and that drive is accelerating interest in open source.
I do believe this. I think the Broadcom acquisition, it put everybody up in arms, right? That's no secret. And I think they quickly realized we cannot be beholden to a single large vendor.
Certain events that have happened in our industry recently, which have shown people the massive risks of going all in too heavily with particular vendors in core infrastructure.
Transparency, flexibility, community-driven innovation. These are no longer optional.
And we wanted something that would give us the flexibility to be able to provide services to these customers without having to worry about vendor lock-in. So we're looking into the open source market, and we, evaluated different platforms, and CloudStack was the one that stood out.
I'm also a big believer that a lot of times the open source community also drives the best technical product.
We build, we share, we scale. Apache CloudStack powers clouds across continents, supporting millions of users every day. Bigger, stronger, smarter. Apache CloudStack is a statement of independence. Join us in Edinburgh, November 18th through 20th, 2026 for the next CloudStack Collaboration Conference. Register now.